Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get them to stop. Okay? Hey, I know what a foul is, but when I got people jumping out on your player, I'm trying to get them off of your player. Now I need for you to calm down so I can talk, all right?
Alright, here we go. Let's go.
Okay, I don't, can you? I don't want to go. Okay? I think you have to.
Let's go. Wait.
He's not going to teach him how to ref right now.
Cut! Let's go! Strike forward! Face it! Hey, Connecticut! Go Connecticut! Three guys fighting each other for the rebound. Three, that's a good problem to have.
Hey, Lou, you gotta put your name on the phone.
Hey, three! You have it on video, what happened?
He pushed him a little, but it was, yeah, exactly. He didn't like that one.
It's always the bigger kid.
Yeah. Good job, Mace. Good hands. All right.
Patience. Go, Caleb.
Hey.
Get control of yourself. You lost your composure. You lost your composure right now. Get your mind. Hey.
19 to 17, we're up.